Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $517 that I'm going to be putting into my wallet, into my envelopes and savings challenges. So I'm going to first start off in my wallet, which I already figured out. That's just going to get $170, which is my usual amount that I put into these envelopes. So spending this week will get 30, eating out will get 30, groceries 80, coffee 20, and then buffer gets 10, and that's a total of 170 in my wallet. So that's 517 minus 170. That leaves me with 347 to put into everything else. And I like to put a little bit into each of my envelopes, each of my savings challenges. So I'm going to go through all of that in this video. And if you're new here, I don't cash stuff any of my bills. That's all taken care of. Like, it stays in the bank and that's all auto paid, so I just leave it in the bank. So this is just my sinking funds, my spending money for the week, and savings challenges. That's what I tend to focus on when it comes to paying in cash. So first up is savings challenge. I have one savings challenge I want to figure out first because it's like a little game I like to play and I need to roll the dice and do all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna get my dice and a little sticky note so I can write down the amount. I'm gonna roll first to see how many times I'm rolling, and then I'll figure out how much I'm putting in here. So let's see, how many times am I rolling for this one? 3 times. So now I can see what I'll be putting into this challenge. So 4 and 3, so 4 and 3 is a star, and that is $1. Okay, next roll. 1 and 4, another star, that's another $1. And last roll, 4, oop, let me do that again because it kind of fell off. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, which is another star. Okay, so this one's getting $3 this week. Okay, so $3 into the power up. Minus 3. Okay, so that leaves me with 344 to put into everything else. I'm gonna come back to this binder. I just wanted to get that one out of the way since I have to roll the dice and let that figure it out. But now I'm just gonna go into my binders. I actually want to first start off with emergency. I like to prioritize this one a little bit more than the others. Just a few that I like to prioritize first. So this one, I think I'm gonna put 20 this week into emergency, and extra savings will get 20 as well. And so will, in this binder, I'll just show it, my treat yourself. I like to prioritize that one too. So this one will also get 20. Okay. Where's treat yourself? Here it is. Okay, that's 20. Okay, so I'm left with 284 after I did that. So I'm gonna go back in here. Auto repair this week is going to get 10. Electronics is gonna get 10. Okay, emergency's done. Extra savings is done. Furniture is just gonna get 5 this week. Rainy day, I wanna put 10 in here. Registration's already fully funded. Road trip, I'm actually going out of town. So this one is gonna get 15. Cause I like to use like 35 to go out of town. So 15, just to get that to 35. Scentsy is gonna get 5. Subscriptions is getting 5. And travel is getting 5. Okay. Next binder is this one. All right, beauty. How much do I have in beauty? I think I have a good amount. I have 40. Okay. I think this is just gonna get 5 this week. Clothing, I'm gonna put 10 in clothing. Content is gonna get 5. Costco is getting 5. Family, I'm not doing anything with my family this weekend, so I'm just gonna do 5 in here. Gifts is getting 5 as well. Like I said, I like to put a little bit into each one, and $5 is, it's like my go-to. If I don't have a lot, if it's not like a huge priority, I'll just put 5, and that does add up each week. Home, how much is household? Okay, home is gonna get 5. That's not like a huge priority, but household, I'm going to put 15 because I need to buy some paper goods soon. And Target is gonna get 10. Okay, and I still have a few envelopes and then also the savings challenges. So I have these envelopes in here. All right, Go Wild. All right, so Go Wild is gonna get 10, and that'll bring me up to 1,000 in here, and I'll be able to put a placeholder and take this back to the bank. So that's 10. Disneyland, I'm going to put 15. Okay, holiday decor, it's just gonna get 5. Christmas, I'm gonna put 5. I already met my goal for this, but I'm still putting money towards it, so 5 is good. Fun is getting 5 as well. Treat Yourself is already done, and hobbies is getting 5. Actually left with a decent amount. I might be able to bump some of these up a little bit more, but I'm gonna go to my savings binder and also to the 100 envelope challenge, because I do need to pick one for here. Let's see, I don't have to go super low, I guess, on this. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with 13. Lucky number 13. I was born on the 13th, so it's lucky for me. So we have 100 envelope, 13. Oops. Okay, hopefully I didn't mess this up. I feel like I might have messed up somewhere, but I'll figure that out in a little bit. All right, I have another kind of 100 envelope kind of version savings challenge, which is this 52 circles. I'm going to do 10. I haven't done 10, so I'll do 10. So 52 circles is getting 10. And these might get bumped up because sometimes I'll take my leftover money in my wallet and I'll bump these up a little bit more than what I originally planned, so that might change. Okay, I'm left with 86, which that's a decent amount. I'm going to probably be able to bump some of these up, which I think I want to do. So for sure I want to bump up emergency extra savings and Treat Yourself, because like I said, I do like to prioritize those over a lot of other ones. These tend to get the most. So that's an extra 15 that I'm taking away from here. And then I think I want to do, because I'm going to Disneyland, I'm going to do 20 in here. That's another 5. And what's another one? I'm going to do electronics because I just got my new phone, which I'm filming on. Looks really, really good, like filming wise, which I'm happy about. But the initial like first bill is gonna be, because you have to pay for the taxes and stuff like that on the phone. So it's a little bit more than what I normally pay, and I'm gonna use this electronic money to help the difference than what I normally pay. So yeah, I'm bumping that one up. Okay, I'm left with 61, so I think I'm gonna focus that money on some savings challenges, and then we'll see where we're at after that, because maybe, yeah. I think I want to do, because I love coloring in this little piggy, this little witch piggy, I'm going to do $30 in this challenge. This is a $10 challenge, so I'll do 30. Okay, that leaves me with 31. And then I have this challenge. I'm going to do 15. This is a $5 challenge. That leaves me with 16. So I think I'm going to bump up one more of these. Let me see, which one do I want to do? I think I should do households because like I said, I need to buy paper goods. So I need toilet paper, paper towels. I need to stock up on that again. And I usually get that at Costco. So I'm gonna do household 20. That's another $5. That leaves me with 11, so I'm just gonna put that 11 into the just dollars. Dollar challenge, we'll get 11. Okay, I think that is correct. I feel like I might have messed up somewhere though, so we'll see if this totals 517. Hopefully it does. I'm gonna just calculate it and make sure it's all good on my end. So I didn't mess up, so that's good. It is 517. So now what I'm going to do is just figure out what denominations I'm going to be asking for when I go to the bank. So 10, or auto repair is 10, so that's just a $10 bill. Electronics is 15, 10 and a 5, and then I have emergency, which is 25, so 20 and a 5, another 20 and a 5, and then 5, 10, 15 for road trips, that's 10 and a 5, and then I have a few 5s here. Clothing is 10, I have some more 5s here. I think that's, yeah. And then household is 20, so that's a $20 bill. Target is 10, and so is Go Wild. Disneyland is 20. Holiday decor is 5, and more 5s here. Treat yourself is 25, 20 and a 5. Hobbies is 5. Power up is 3, so that's 1, 2, 3. 100 envelope is 13, so that's 10 and 3 ones. 52 circles is 10, and then I have, for the $10 challenge, I have 30, so I'm going to ask for 3 10s. $5 challenge is 15, so that's 3 5s, and dollar challenge is 11, which is just 11. I'm going to circle it because it looks like a tally. I just like to do tallies though. So 50, I'm going to count the totals and make sure it all totals up correctly. So 50, I have 1. 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20s, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 10s, 5s, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, lots of 5s. And then 1s, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. So now that is, I'm going to calculate, make sure, again, this all totals out correctly. These is like my double, triple checks, basically. 50 times 1 is $50. 20 times 8 is $160. 10 times 17 is $170. 5 times 23 is 115. Is that 115? Let me see. 23 times 5. Yeah, 115. And then 22. Okay, so let me just total this up. 50, 160, 170, 115, and 22. 517. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to get a little sticky note so I can write out. I give this to the teller. Just makes it a little bit easier to do that. So 50s times 1 is $50. 20s times 8 is $160. 10 times 17 is $170. 5 times 23 is $115, and 1 times 22 is $22, and that is a total of $517 that I will be getting from the bank. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in my wallet because that way I don't forget it when I go to the bank tomorrow. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as I cash planned for the week. If you're interested in seeing me actually cash stuff this, that'll be up on Sunday. So definitely make sure to check that out. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button also. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But yeah, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate you being here, especially if you watched to the very end. Thank you. That's amazing. But yeah, hope to see you in the next one.